President Trump says not every American should be tested for COVID-19. Now, these comments come just days after, as you mentioned, Todd, several White House staffers tested positive for the virus. Today, President Trump said that only Americans who are symptomatic should be tested. The Assistant Secretary of Health followed up by saying those who have been notified by health officials that they may have come into contact with the virus can also receive a test.
I do the exact thing that we ask Americans to do to monitor your symptoms. If you are symptomatic, self-isolate, get tested. With one of our community-based testing sites at your hospitals, there are even at-home testing now that has been authorized.
Symptoms of COVID-19 can appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. And a new poll from the Associated Press shows 55% of Americans disapprove of the, quote, reopen our state protests that have popped up in several states, including right here in Texas. Now, on the other hand, 31% of Americans approve of the demonstrations. The poll shows Democrats are more likely than Republicans to disapprove of such actions. Twitter will now warn users when a tweet contains disputed or misleading information about COVID-19. The tweets will be labeled and featured links with additional information on the virus. The social media company says it will take a case-by-case approach on deciding which tweets fall into the category and will only remove posts that are harmful. Here in Central Texas, Brazos County reported 7 new cases today, bringing its total to 278. Bell County officials are reporting 206 cases, while the state, which includes Fort Hood in its count, reports 220 cases for the area. McLennan County remains at 94 cases. In the surrounding counties, Coryell has 208 cases, Milam has 20, and Limestone has 15. And across the U.S., there are 1.3 million coronavirus cases. Live from the Coronavirus Tracker Desk, Sydney Eisenberg, 25 News.